Welcome to the beautiful Pueblo Mágico of Izamal. This beautiful town is home to one of the largest convents as well as a pyramid within the city limits. This gorgeous town is also known for the beautiful yellow colors. I have the perfect subdivision close to this beautiful tourist attraction with a clubhouse that's an hacienda. How cool is that? Look at all the wonderful amenities. Want to invest? Ask me how.